Okay, so what's up YouTube? I've recently purchased this Bluetooth keyboard off eBay UK. So I bought it for about £20, 22 including shipping. So I don't really know what to expect about the quality of the product. So let's go ahead and open it up. So as you can see, the keyboard is quite tightly packed in there. I mean, there's not a lot of room to move about. Okay, so you got like your manuals and stuff there. Your made in China wireless Bluetooth keyboard, tested to comply with all FCC standards for home or office use. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. Okay, so we've got a driver CD here, because the good thing about this one is you can actually use it with your computer. So just install the drivers, but I'll be doing another video about that later on. Got the quick start guide. So this is basically telling us that the manual that would normally come with the keyboard is in Chinese, so we can just use this one instead. But it's quite straightforward to set up anyway. And you've got the give us 5 stars. Now as you can see, I got this from discounted, and it's quite good to be honest. So I'll be up at the link for the keyboard is in the video description. Obviously it's UK. So let's just have a wee look at the keyboard now. It's made of like a plastic type material, and if you shake it you can sort of hear the pieces move. But it's got this really nice chrome type look about it. Now obviously it is plastic, and the keyboard keys are all proper hard plastic, but I think it's so far it seems really good quality. A really nice keyboard to sort of type on. As you can see, I'm just sort of practicing my typing now. So as it'll tell me in the guide, I would have thought we need to have 2 AAA batteries. So I'm just gonna go and get these, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I've put in my batteries. Just a little slot here. You don't need a screwdriver to release it. You just flick it up, and then you've got your 2 batteries in that you just put in there. Okay. So as you can see, also on the back, you've got the on-off flick switch there, and the connect button, and then also you've got some grips here, and another one here, and they come in quite handy. So it gives it a little bit of sturdiness on the desk. Now, I'm going to get the iPad. You can also use this with iPhone. I'll be using that as well in a minute. Okay, so, one minute. First things first that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to turn on, obviously insert the batteries, and also turn on the keyboard. So I'm just going to flick it over. I'm going to flick that switch there, and also you're going to need to press this connect button. So once you turn it on, we just missed it, but it'll flash blue and that little LED there. And so you're going to need like a pen, or like a pin or something. Just tap that connect button there, and then as you can see now, nope, still not tapped it. There we go. It's flashing blue, as you can see there. So you're going to go into settings and general, Bluetooth, and you're going to turn your Bluetooth on, but you've got to be careful because the Bluetooth actually it wastes a lot of battery. So now you can see you've got your Bluetooth keyboard. Now if you just switch it on, the Bluetooth keyboard will still appear, but you won't be able to connect until you press the connect button. So I'm just going to zoom in on this bit so you can see what we're going to be doing. Okay, so all you do is you tap on the Bluetooth keyboard bit there, and it'll say connected. Now I've already connected mine up before, but what you can do is, if you click forget this device, okay, so I'll just do that. So it's going to search for it now. I'm going to reconnect it. Press that button again. Flashing blue. And it's Bluetooth device not paired. And it's gonna a little message is gonna pop on the screen now. And it's gonna tell me to type in this pin code. So the pin code here is 1326. So on my keyboard on the keys, I just do 1326 and just hit enter, return, and that's it. We're paired rather. So one of the good things about this keyboard is it has all your keyboard shortcuts on it. So as you can see the bottom along the top, I'm just going to scan along those for you now. So this one here acts as a home button. So if I just tap that, it'll go to my home, okay? And we've got quite a few other ones. We've got this search icon here, so I can just tap that and it'll take us to search. Tap it again. Is it going to take us back? Yes, it is. And on your F2 and F3, we've got brightness. So tap those and I'll make it darker, or I can make the screen brighter. None of this requires a jailbreak. You've also got that button there, which turns it to your picture frame mode. So I just tap that now. Oh, wrong one. Tap that. It doesn't seem to be working. Lock it. So basically that key there is pretty much a shortcut for when you have picture mode on, but I haven't got it turned on at the moment, which is why that's not working. But anyway, so that's your picture. That one, if I'm going to type, so I'll go into my pages now. Okay, pages, my documents. Let's get a new document up. New document, blank document. Okay, so normally, because your iPad knows you're connected to the Bluetooth keyboard, you can just type normally on the keyboard, and as you can see it's typing. But what you can do is, obviously you've got your keyboard shortcuts as well, but if you press that button there, it allows the on-screen keyboard to just pop up and down. So if you get bored of using this, you can alternate back on to that keyboard. Yeah, but one of the good things I think about this is it's got your keyboard shortcuts, so I can do like my Control A, and that's going to select all the text, and I can just press the delete button. It gets rid of it all. Okay, so now on to the next few buttons. So we're just going to press the home button, we're going to go back. F6 doesn't actually do anything, but you've got F7, F8 and F9 are your sort of multimedia buttons. So I can just press F8 and music will start playing, also you'll have to turn it up. There we go. I can change songs using this. I'll go back, or pause it. And on your F10 and F11 and F12 you've got your volume buttons. So I can turn it up with F10, F11, I can mute it with F10, or I can alter the volume up and down with my F11, F12, but F10 is just like a straight mute. And then also you've got your lock key right there, and you can just tap that straight away and it'll lock. So as you can see, it's pretty simple to use on your iPad. I definitely think it's worth purchasing for about £20, and you get all these brilliant features. Obviously I can type in my passcode using this, but it's a little bit different and type in my passcode, so it's really good, and I definitely think it's worth purchasing, especially if you're the type of person that does a lot of work on your iPad keyboard. So there you go. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned to tune in to my next video where I'll be showing you how to use it on your computer. The only reason why I'm not doing it now is because I need to purchase a Bluetooth dongle. Thanks, bye.